Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be doing a video on how I clean my Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags. So if you would like to see how I clean my Longchamp bags, then keep on watching. Okay, so here we are. So I just recently did a what's in my bag with my Amethyst Le Pliage Longchamp tote bag. And I wanted to show you how it was actually really dirty in that video. And there was no it was like, you got the real deal. That's how my bag looked. That's what was in it. There was it wasn't staged for the camera. It was like, you got what you got. So since we're in quarantine life, I figured it would be a good time to hand wash my bags. Like I said in that video, if you'd like to see that video, I'll leave a link below so that you can see what's in my bag. It is a work edition of what I keep in my Longchamp bags. And normally I do wear these bags specifically for work. So that's why it is a work edition, because most of the time when I'm using this bag, I use it for work, but it's great for travel. It's great for all different things. I do not, like I said in that video, I do not put these in the washing machine. I hand wash them. And I just wanted to share with you step by step how I do that. It's super simple. There's no special technique to it. There's no magical formula to the soap I use. It's pretty straightforward. But I just wanted to share with you in case you were wondering how to clean your own bags and how to keep them looking pristine and brand new. So this is how I keep my bags looking brand new. And yeah, so here we go. So here are the two bags I will be washing by hand today. I am washing them in my bathtub. You can use your bathtub, a sink, bathroom sink, kitchen sink, whichever you feel most comfortable washing your bags in. And as you can see, there is some normal wear and tear staining on this bag. Nothing too crazy really, but nevertheless, it is time to wash this bag. The soap that I use to hand wash my Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags is the Dr. Bronner soap. You can use any of the different ones they have. The one I have here is the baby soap, baby version of the soap. And I'm going to go ahead and open up this bag. As you can see, it's a little dirty inside too. We're going to wipe that out later with a wipe. So to get started, I like to first wet the bag on the outside, avoiding any leather handles or the leather closure on the top. I always try to avoid it if possible. If it gets a little wet, that is okay, because they are water resistant. You can always wipe them down with a towel, but I like to generally make sure I get the bag nice and wet on the outside so that the soap will suds up perfectly.
Or when we fall asleep, I can hear you snoring, and I feel my love run deep. I love exploring.
Now I'm going to start by pouring the Dr. Bronner soap on the bag, specifically on areas that have really tough stains that I need to get out. I usually target that area first with the soap and then just use my hand to kind of swish everything around and distribute the soap to the rest of the bag. I'm going to keep doing this until I cover as much surface area as I can with the suds, and my hand. And you don't have to do, you know, the whole entire bag. If your whole bag, if you feel as your bag is pretty clean and there's just one or two spots you want to touch up on your bag, you do not have to run the soap on the entire bag. You can actually just target the soap to the area you want to. These bags are pretty dirty, so I'm gonna actually, you know, do the entire bag. So once you're satisfied with the amount of area that has been cleaned, you can go ahead and rinse the soap off. Like I said, I'm just rinsing it in my bathtub just because it's a little bit easier for me to get the whole area of the bag. Yeah, so you just rinse it, and then once you're done rinsing it, you give it a little inspection, see if there are any additional suds that need to be washed off. You can even rub it a couple more times just to see if it suds up again. And if it does, you can go ahead and rinse those suds off. And I just keep doing this until all of the soap has been completely removed from the bag. As you can see, there's a little bit more soap on this bag, so I'm going to go back in and rinse it again. And yeah, so I'm just going to keep doing this until I get all the suds off. If you do get any water on the handles or the flap, you can just wipe that away with a towel and it will be good as new. And now you have a freshly cleaned tote bag. I wanted to include this second bag only because it's extremely dirty. It does have some stains that are permanent, but however there is some stains that I do want to get out, like this coffee stain on the front. So I just wanted to show you how easily that this method will get, you know, those stains out of a lighter Longchamp bag. However, over time these bags do tend to stain permanently if you do not baby them.
After all of the hard days and the best of times, I know that I am always yours and you are always mine. I just want one thing for you to be mine. I just want one thing for will you be mine?
And when you're done, just hang them somewhere so that they can air dry. I like to hang mine on door handles, as you can see. And there you have it. Perfectly clean tote bags. Okay, so here are the finished bags. I let them air dry on a doorknob. This is my purple bag. As you can see, the stains are completely gone. There's no more watermarks from whatever was leaking in the bag. It's no longer there. You know, there's a couple scuffs here and there. That's expected when you've had a bag for many years. And as you can see, even though the handles and the flap got a little bit wet, as you can see, they're still, you know, they're back to normal. Because these are water resistant, but I do not like to submerge them in water if I don't have to. So, yep, this is the purple bag. Okay, so with my turquoise bag, I do forget the color of this bag, so I apologize. I'm drawing a blank right now with the color. But with this bag, I got this bag first, so I've had it longer than I had the purple one. And as you can see, the coffee stain that was there has completely gone away. This had some stains in it that are now permanent that I cannot get out of. That just, you know, when you have a bag for so many years, and this bag I will say I've had for about 10 years. So when you get a bag and you've had it for that long and it's this light in color and it's nylon, you're gonna get some scuffs, you're gonna get some marks. I stopped babying this bag a long time ago, so that's why it does look the way it does. But as you can see from washing it, I got some new stains off of it that were not permanent. So yeah, so this bag still does look a little, you know, scuffed up and dingy, but there's definitely a difference as far as before and after. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more how-tos with your designer handbags, or if you would like to see more videos about designer handbags in general, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video, comment below with what you want to see next or how you're enjoying this video. I always enjoy reading my comments and replying back to you guys and interacting with you guys. That means a lot to me, so I do appreciate when you do comment. And yeah, so see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay safe and healthy. Bye, guys. Okay, so here we are.